Okay, I am going to say this one more time. I'm going to show this again. This is our new tropical storm that has formed in the Gulf, and it is moving towards Florida. It is forecast to be a Category 2, Category 3 hurricane when it hits Florida. It is forecast to bring up to 6 to 1 foot of rain, 6 inches to 1 foot of rain. It is forecast to be a Cat 2, Cat 3, and it is forecast to bring storm surge, which is more than Helene brought. If you are in this area Tuesday, Wednesday, you need to be moved away from the coastline. You need to be somewhere else safe. You do not need to be on the coast. You need to be away from that area. Please use caution. I am doing this video early, and I'm just watching what's going on, and I want to make sure that people are prepared. Please watch your local weather. Please do what your local emergency management tells you to do, and please use caution.